word for
What's up, guys? This is Jace over here at Red Recap, and
Leslie.
Leslie. Well, Leslie was just telling me that we're too generous, so that's why I hit play. I just hit play because she was talking in my ear saying, you know what? Everyone's ripping us off. You need to quit giving everyone everything. Is that right?
I can't recall that.
Oh. So here's what I'm giving you today. I will tell you how to get. Well, let me tell you the story. So I found a really cool video. Well, it just grabbed my attention, so I was like, I think I could use that for Facebook ads. So then I turned around and I created this Facebook ad. It's a video, but what it's done, it has lowered my cost per lead like crazy, which brings us to this episode of Red Recap. What are we talking about, Leslie?
Lowering your lead cost.
Lowering our lead cost.
Without lowering the quality.
Okay. So this week, what have you been able to do?
It has been a crazy week. So usually I get my stem cell leads anywhere from $15 to $30 for a high quality lead. Right now, I'm getting them for $1.72.
$1.72. That's per stem cell lead. Okay. Once a lead comes in, now obviously everyone in their mind, if they're watching this and they're generating leads, in their mind, what did they just say?
No way.
No way won, and the leads are what?
Crap.
The leads are crap. Okay, why are the leads crap?
So when we generate leads, it's a true lead. It's a 10 to 20 question survey that they have to fill out and then give us their contact info, and then the doctor receives all that information.
Okay. So you can get a lot of crappy leads. When I hear people saying, hey, we're getting $1.70 leads, that's kind of my first thought is junk.
Yeah, you thought it was probably first name, last name, email, phone number. No,
Yeah.
I know exactly what hurts, where it hurts, how long have they been hurting, what they've tried, how many doctors they've seen, if they've tried prescription medication,
Okay, so it's a whole form fill.
Mm-hmm.
I've noticed the same on our stuff. So I kind of adjusted a few of my things this week too. One, we've almost eliminated everything to do with Facebook form fill. We always go back and we test it out, and it's just they're not high enough quality. You're not putting a person through enough work. And so if you don't understand what a Facebook form fill, Facebook makes it really easy to just say, I want form fills. They don't leave the platform. They hit click. It automatically fills in the form with their information they have on Facebook, and then they can hit submit. But you'll find that most of those are just not good.
They're just junk, yeah.
So what you want to do is take them from off Facebook, off YouTube, off Instagram, over onto your landing page with a whole survey where they have to kind of work to take advantage of your offer.
Right.
Got it? And don't forget about the offer. Everything you put out there needs to have some type of offer.
Yeah,
got it?
Exactly.
Okay, so lead cost this week went way down. I noticed that. Now, let me show you guys, if you want to get access to this video style that I have, it took my lead cost. I do stuff in the insurance industry. This is buy life settlements. So it took my lead cost from basically $30 all the way down to $11 per lead. Now, we make huge amounts of money when somebody does this service. So $30 a lead, that is good. Mm-hmm. Okay, but it took my lead cost from $30 all the way down to $11, and so far it's held. Also, in the timeshare industry, I've done the timeshare. I took this same video style, adjusted it, put it in the timeshare, and it almost halved my lead costs. So, and timeshare is a really competitive industry. Okay. Okay, so if these guys, why are lead costs going down?
First, our tracking's in place, so I'm able to track better who's actually converting over to finishing the survey, and I'm able to target those people.
Okay. What else happened this week? I talked about it on our last video. What else?
Well, people are on social media.
Yeah.
People are on social media. They're wanting to know what's going on in their communities. People are giving their opinion, defending their opinion, so they're constantly on social media.
Yeah. I mean, we got a lot going on right now. We have the COVID's been going on. You have the whole BLM. You have George Floyd. All of that stuff that is happening, you can take advantage of it. So when everyone else is focused on social media, they're on it all day long, they're posting, you need to be there because your cost per lead's down, and we're still seeing not a lot of big corporations have come back. I mean, you're not getting a lot of travel companies posting on Facebook. They're not spending their millions of dollars that they normally do, so you want to take advantage of that.
Definitely. Okay. And people are, well, for me, because I do medical, people are still in pain. They need your service.
Okay, so I want to brag on Leslie for a bit. Why is everyone ripping you off, Leslie? Because that's the thing with us, is we do get ripped off all the time. We're not one of those companies. We don't like to go out there and be posting everything we do, but we share quite a bit of it.
Right.
But why is everyone ripping you off? Why are you so mad?
Well, my doctors will go on their friend chat, WeChat, and just be like, hey, we're killing it. And then another doctor will be like, I'm not killing it. They'll tell their marketing, see what those guys are doing, and they'll just straight up screenshot.
Yeah, we're in an industry, she is especially in the whole medical industry, they are all taking everything. Like, we put something out there and immediately somebody else, some other company grabs it, swipes it.
But then they don't have the nurture sequence or the landing page. So then Dr. 2 will go to Dr. 1 saying, your person's lying, you're not getting those results, I'm not getting those results, we're doing everything the exact same. But they're not doing voicemail drops, texting, email sequences. They're not working one-on-one with the clinical director. They're not like teaching and coaching the clinical directors how to close. So it's like, you're getting leads, but they're not converting because the nurture isn't there.
Yeah, you have to do the nurture. Another thing, so I own a company called Y-Draw. We started the whole whiteboard animation thing years back, and I switched all of my nurture sequence over basically into text. There's so many emails going out and nobody's opening my emails.
No. Do you ever screen share with your clients and then you see they have 12,000 unread emails?
Oh, no. But that makes sense.
Yeah.
I have.
Well, how many unread?
Yeah. So understand, email is tough. Text works, but you have to be gentle on text because I don't like people texting me. No. That much. So be courteous when you're texting. But texting is a lot better. Another thing that works is Facebook Messenger if you want to communicate with your audience there. A lot of times people will go online and they'll ask you questions on Facebook. So you need to be there to answer those questions. Check in on your Facebook messages at least once a day. We have companies that get leads that way.
Or have it automatic so your FAQs are there. So if someone asks you, what's your phone number? It's automatically sent to them.
Yeah.
That's the number one question, right? What's your number and how much does it cost?
Yep. Cost is a big one.
Hey, give me a quick call. I'm glad to give you a quote.
Yep. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, if you have a neuropathy campaign, our email is above and below this.
Yes. If you guys, seriously, if you're in the medical industry, so chiropractors, stem cell, neuropathy.
Any integrative, regenerative, functional medicine.
Okay, she kills it. Leslie kills it. I put our campaigns up against anyone, and you're not just getting a typical campaign with us. You really are getting the full thing where we're working on website speed. We work on website optimization. We submit it up to Webmaster Tools. It kills me when I watch, we've lost one client to a competitor. They go to the competitor, and next thing you know, the competitor doesn't fix the website. They don't do anything to it.
They're not running ads to their website.
Yeah, and they don't even...
It's a separate GoDaddy that's not even finished being set up.
So, that infuriates me. If you are running a company, do not allow people to run ads to their landing pages because you want that traffic. And that grows your website.
Yeah, and then you won't even be able to tell... you don't have power over it.
Yeah.
If you're to cut off ties with that company, everything's gone.
Yeah.
You don't have anything on your site. It still is a mess,
Yeah, so make sure you control your assets. Make sure you have full control over your analytics. Mm-hmm. I don't care whether you go with us or you go with any marketing company. You want full control of your analytics. You want 100% control of your AdWords.
Your Facebook.
Yeah, your Facebook ads. Okay, build your own business manager and give your marketing company access to the Facebook, because all of that stuff is data. That's information you want, and then if it doesn't work out, you're not starting from square one. Like, we watch so many of these in the whole integrative health business. They jump from this person, this person, this person, this person, and it's like starting from square one.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure you have full control over your website. You own your own domain name. Never let a marketing company buy your domain name.
No.
You need to make sure you have 100% access into your analytics and that you're admin. Google My Business Listing, you need to be admin over that. Google AdWords. You have a lot of people that say, oh, we have proprietary stuff. That's BS. Okay.
No, it's Google AdWords. Google owns it.
Yes, Google owns it. So don't allow your marketing company to own your AdWords. Okay.
Yeah.
Create an account, give them access, because all of that information, the money you're spending there, can be used. Even if they don't get a lead, it's still, there's data there that you can use to save you.
Perfect. Just say I'm not going to target these people because they didn't convert.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another thing is know how much you're spending in ads. I just audited a company yesterday, a medical. They had no idea how much they've spent on ads in the last 30 days. They're like, we have ads running, but our company doesn't tell us how much they spend.
Yes. And I think I know who it is. I audited one this week. They were running ads for likes on their page. That's another no-no. Like, that tells me right there the marketing company has no idea what they're doing. If you're running a campaign and spending money to get likes,
just buy likes.
Just buy likes. Like, we sell likes. You want likes?
We'll sell them to you.
I get 1,000 likes for $10 if you want those. I mean, you want 50,000 Instagram followers? Just give us a ring.
Yeah, just know what you're spending, and if you don't know, well, now you know to know.
Yeah. Know your exact costs. Know your cost per lead's another one. So know what you're spending. Know your cost per lead.
Know your cost per acquisition.
Cost per acquisition. That's a big one.
Yeah.
Is know the actual cost to get a customer in, and know the actual cost of a converted, paying customer. Yeah. What's a good one that you've seen lately per paying customer?
Ooh, interesting. 100, under 100.
Under 100?
Under 100 is the sweet spot I want to be with any stem cell regenerative functional, under 100.
Okay. Per paying customer.
I think we're at 99 with one of the ones we were just talking about.
Oh.
$99 per $5,000 stem cell injection.
Yeah. So that's very scalable. Mm-hmm. Got it. Okay, that's it. If you guys want anything, like she said, if you're a neuropathy or you guys have a campaign, email Leslie at marketinghigh.com.
Please do.
Anything else?
If you have an insurance.
If you have timeshare.
If you have insurance or timeshare, Jace at Marketing High.
Actually, no.
No?
No,
all right.
I'm not taking clients right now. Peace.